You apply your moisturizer every day, right? But have you ever wondered why your skin still feels dry, dull, or sometimes even greasy after using it? Here's the truth. Most people apply moisturizer the wrong way. And today, I'll show you 4 simple but powerful ways to apply it correctly. For that smooth, glowing, hydrated skin you've always wanted. Let's get started. Number 1. Apply on damp skin, not dry skin. This is one of the biggest mistakes people make. Moisturizer is designed to lock in hydration, not create it. So when you apply it on completely dry skin, there's nothing to lock in. It just sits on the surface. The best time to apply it is right after washing your face, when your skin is still slightly damp. Gently pat your face with a towel, but don't make it completely dry. Then apply your moisturizer while your skin still feels fresh and dewy. This helps trap that moisture inside, keeping your skin soft and glowing all day long. You'll notice your skin drinks it up instantly, and that dull look starts to disappear. Number 2. Warm it up before applying. Sounds simple, but it changes everything. Take a small amount of your moisturizer, about the size of a pea, and rub it gently between your fingers for a few seconds. This helps activate the ingredients and allows the product to glide smoothly on your skin. When you apply it cold or directly from the jar, your pores tighten and it doesn't absorb as deeply. But once it's warmed slightly by your fingers, your skin welcomes it in, and it feels more soothing, more luxurious. This technique helps prevent product waste and ensures every drop is working for your skin. Number 3. Don't rub press. We've all seen people rub moisturizer on their face like they're polishing shoes. Don't do that. Rubbing stretches your skin, especially the delicate areas around your eyes, and can cause early wrinkles. Instead, press the moisturizer gently into your skin using your fingertips or your palms. Start from the center of your face and move outward and upward, never downward. This pressing motion helps increase blood flow, giving you that natural rosy glow. It also makes your skincare feel more calming, like a mini face massage. Try it for a week and you'll see your skin texture starts feeling smoother and your face looks naturally brighter. Number 4. Don't forget your neck and hands. Your neck and hands show signs of aging faster than your face, but most people completely ignore them. When applying your moisturizer, always extend the leftover product to your neck and even your hands. These areas need hydration too. They're constantly exposed to sun, air, and pollution. Using your facial moisturizer on these areas keeps your skin tone even and prevents wrinkles from showing early. It's a small habit, but it makes a big difference in the long run. So next time you moisturize, take that extra 10 seconds to care for your neck and hands too. Now here's a quick bonus tip. If you want to give your moisturizer an extra glow boost, mix 1 tiny drop of vitamin E oil or pure aloe vera gel before applying. It strengthens your skin barrier, adds shine, and helps heal scars faster. Simple, affordable, and it works like magic. Remember, skincare isn't about how many products you own, it's about how you use them. When you treat your skin gently, it rewards you with a healthy, confident glow. Try these 4 methods tonight and you'll see the difference within a week. And don't forget to follow for the next video. How to apply sunscreen the right way, because most people are doing that wrong too.